Hey teammates, what's poppin'? So if you want to see how we install this gorgeous kinky wig, girl, if you are tired of paying for your installs and want to know how you do it yourself, definitely keep on watching. So today's video is in collaboration with Nadula. This is their beautiful packaging, and these are the gifts: some lace bands, wig caps, and a makeup brush. So today we're going to be installing this 24-inch kinky highlight wig. It does come pre-bleached and I believe pre-plucked, but yeah, these are the curls. Very, very gorgeous. The construction of this wig is raw. So I want to show you guys how I pluck my hair. First, I like to go in and take a rat tail comb and part out a tiny thin section of hair. In between that section of hair, I'm going to start plucking. The way I pluck is kind of like in straight lines. As you see, I'm taking my my tweezers, and I'm kind of plucking like hair pluck, hair pluck. I don't know how to explain it, but basically in straight lines. This is how it should look when you're plucking. Straight lines, you're leaving little gaps, and when you pluck the full side, it should look like this. So you just have all these lines, and it just looks more natural. I could do a detailed plucking tutorial, but let me know if you guys want that. So I already did install this cap with a little bit of glue, but we're going to add some cream foundation in shade 09 all over my cap. This is what's going to give that bald effect, okay? You got black hair under that cap, girl, so you want to cover that hair up, and you should look like this, very much bald. So now we're going to cut off the excess cap with some scissors, my girl, making sure we cut it right next to the hairline. So next up, we're going to go ahead and throw our beautiful wig on. I have it in a half up, half down already because I parted it on the dome head. But this is what she's looking like. Look at that plucking. Look at that. Do you see that? This wig was going to eat. I just knew it. So with my 91% alcohol, we're going to go ahead and clear off our forehead. What this does is remove any makeup, any oil that's going to make the wig lift. And my favorite glue is the Ghost Bond glue. I use the classic one. I'm definitely open to trying new lace glue. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I still haven't tried the Erica J, but girl, yeah, this Ghost Bond is my favorite. It's $20 and it lasts a very long time. So after putting a nice thin layer across the perimeter of my hair, we're gonna go ahead and smooth that out, and we're gonna blow dry this on a cool setting. Don't know what that hack does, but girl, my wigs be laid down when I do that cool, so try that out. I did go ahead and do 2 layers of glue, and now we are going to lay her down. I like to lay the front of the wig's hairline right on top of the front of my natural hairline, and that's how it just sits perfectly. We're not showing too much forehead and not covering too much forehead. It's just perfect. Then I'm going to take a small tooth comb, and I'm just going to push the lace into the glue, not the hair, but the lace into the glue. Then we're going to take our wig band and we're going to tie it down for 20 minutes. I really did like an hour. Yeah. So I did my makeup off camera. Your girl face is very much giving. I look so pretty. The makeup tutorial should be up already, so you guys can check that out. It's like a chit chat, get ready with me, where I just give you guys a life update of what's going on with me. So yeah, definitely check out that makeup tutorial. But what we're doing here is we're just cutting off the excess lace. I kind of bounce between me using scissors and a razor. Lately, I've been grabbing the scissors. I've just been getting a really, really nice cut. I like to cut very close to the hairline. I leave like half a centimeter. I don't know if that's the right measurement, but like half a centimeter of lace, not too much, not too little. But after that, we're going to blend the lace in with a little bit of some foundation. Yeah, we're just going to push that into the lace, and then I'm going to take my spritz and we are going to spray that right on top of the lace. And this is what's really going to help with the meltdown. Yeah, this was looking so good. I was so proud of myself with this install. Like, I'm telling you, watch my videos if you're struggling on how to install your hair. I have so many videos of me installing hair. I just feel like all girls need to know how to do their hair, because getting your hair done, first of all, buying a wig and paying to get it done, that is just, that's robbery. It's expensive out here. So definitely watch these type of videos and you'll get so much better at installing your wigs. So after I hot combed everything, I'm parting out my edges, and now I'm going to take my She's Bomb wax stick and I'm going to go ahead and just work that on the hair. Especially, I did a lot of wax stick where I'm going to be having it like kind of go up in that ponytail, because I really want this to be very smooth and very flat and just very silky and shiny. So I'm just going to take my hot comb and do that. Then I'm going to go on the side portions of my hair right before my edges and hot comb that. This hot comb I got from Amazon. It goes up to 425 degrees. I wish it went to 500, but the 425 is still good. It's very, very high. Be careful, girl, because I definitely did burn myself. You see me here, I was like, ooh, baby, the steam was getting me. But I like to hot comb my edges down as well. It just helps with it looking really pretty. Don't know. Just do as I say, period. Okay. So now I'm just going to section off the back of my hair with the hair clip that's not going in the ponytail. And then we're going to work on the ponytail. Ponytails are so hard for me. If you ever see me do ponytails, like half up, half downs, I always have someone help me. I had no one, so I had to figure it out. But y'all, I was struggling. My nails are very long. The hair is long. So it was just hard. But I ended up getting it together. So that is a good thing. Drop some clapping emojis in the comments if you're proud of me, because that is very hard. Anyways, I'm taking a tweezer and thinning out my edges a little bit because I don't want no thick chunky edges. And then I'm going to cut it at an angle. So how I do my edges, I usually flip under, but today I'm flipping up for the top edges and down for the bottom edges. It's all personal preference. Doesn't really matter. You kind of get the same look every time anyway, so it's really up to you. But as you see, for this top edge, I'm flipping up, and then for the bottom edge, I'm flipping down. Then I'm going to go ahead and take my mousse, and we are just going to rub that all over this edge, and then we are going to do a C-shaped motion and just kind of brush this edge back into the hair, and it just looks gorgeous. That mousse, I feel like it doesn't hold, so if you want really soft fluffy edges, just go in with the mousse. But if you need a hold on your edges to kind of last a little longer, I do go in with my Even Lace spray, and I just spray that right on top, rub that down, and it just sets really, really nice and seamlessly. So yeah, we're just, swooping them edges. If you want a tutorial, let me know. After that, I'm going back in with my Even Lace spray and just hot combing the back of the edges, like the edges that swoop back into my hair. We're just gonna hot comb that and press that in so it can be nice and flat, and everything just smooth and seamlessly goes into each other. So with your ponytail holder, I would definitely recommend using a black or brown ponytail holder. I only had pink on me, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of my hair and I'm just gonna wrap it around. If I had black or brown, it would have been easier to disguise that pink, but I had to actually go in and add a little bit more hair to the wraparound to really cover everything how I want it to be covered. So after that, I put a little bit more of the Even spray on that wraparound, blow dried it, and now we're just defining the part. I did, 2 little parts. I feel like these parts were just so gorgeous. I really, really, really did love this hair. Look how beautiful this looks. This hair looks so freaking bomb. The plucking was eating. This hair is so big, so gorgeous. I'm going to show you guys what the hair looks like wet. I like to show you guys 2 styles. I like my hair very big, very fun, very, just flirty. But if you want to wear it wet, this is what it's going to look like wet. Still very, very gorgeous. You can define it more. I just wet it a little bit. But like I said, my favorite look is definitely this look. Very big, very fun, very flirty. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really, really hope this video was easy to follow. The beautiful thing about YouTube is you can always go back and rewatch these videos as much as you want, so you can learn how to do your hair, because no one wants to keep spending money on hair. Hair is very expensive. Installs, it just can get very pricey. So I would say buy this hair, buy whatever hair you love, and learn how to do it yourself. All the information on this gorgeous wig will be down below in the description box. Definitely Team Tasty approve. I don't even have to say too much because this hair is just giving what it needs to give. I love you guys so much. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up, join the team, and just do like Nike by subscribing. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.